Alright, y'all, back with another video. You see what I'm doing there? Making a steak. See how that steak look good? Yeah, see how that got the marveline, that white in it? You know that's a good steak when it's got a lot of that marveline in it. Yeah, see how good it look? Yeah, you want it to come out tender, sprinkle some salt, sea salt on it, put it in the refrigerator. Hour, half an hour. The more time you leave, the better they come out. Alright, y'all, so that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna get ready to season it up right now. Stand by, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see it. I got it here and get ready to season up with. See it, I got salt and pepper. But you can use any seasoning that you want on it. I use this. So I'll do a little on there, put a sprinkle on there, put it all over. Get it all around, get the edges, get the side of it. Oh yeah. And I go ahead and take it and rub it in. Yeah, just rub it in there a little bit. That's all. Just rub it before we get all around. Get it on the sides and stuff. You have all that flavor when you bite into it, you know. That's how you do it, you know. That's how you season it up. See, that's what I'm doing, y'all. Showing y'all how to cook the steak. Put it on the side here. Rub it all on the sides, you know. You can get it all around. See what I'm doing? Put it all on the side. There you go. Get all that flavor in there, y'all. Alright, then I'll go ahead and flip it over. Put some pepper on there if you want. You know, whatever you want to put on there, go ahead and put on there. So that's what I use. I use salt and pepper. And just go ahead and put it all over there. That's it, you know. Go ahead, rub it down, rub it in there, rub it on the sides, you know. That's how I do mine. It come out pretty good when I do it, so check it out. You do it this way, I think it'll come out good if you do it right. Just go ahead and rub salt and pepper in. So you want to do that on both sides. Alright, y'all, that's what you want to do. Stand by, I'll be right back. See all that marveline in there? That's when you know you got a good steak. So it'll come out pretty good. Stand by. Alright, y'all, see how I rubbed it in? Yeah, you want to rub it in. Still doing this. This is the second side now. That's how you want to do it. You want to rub it all around in there. You want to get your seasoning all up in there from the side. So every time you bite, you can get that good flavor out of there. Alright, y'all. So, what else I'm going to try? This is another way I'm going to try. Stand by, I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to be cooking this steak in olive oil. So, you use any kind of olive oil you want, but I find out the extra virgin olive oil is pretty good, so get that vegetable. So I'm gonna use this cooking one. So I'm gonna do it this time. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna pour it on there like this. See how I'm gonna pour it all on here? I'm gonna cook it this way, but I'm gonna rub it all in so it won't burn that much instead of me cooking on it. To this other way, I'm trying to rub it all in. Yes. Well, I'm gonna tell you if it works, you know. Tell me what y'all think below. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Y'all know who it is. It's Mr. Mrlwood Videos. You know I'm back. You know what I do. So that's how I'm doing this side. So you wanna do both sides like that. You wanna get that olive oil down in there. Rub it all over there. So there you go. You know olive oil good for you. I don't know if y'all know it now, but all you can do is Google it, and you know. Alright, so I'm doing both sides like that. Doing both sides like that. Both sides of it, you know. Rub it all around on there. There you go. Get it all on there. And just take your hand and just go ahead and rub it all in there. You know. Dang. Yo, this gonna come out good. Y'all know how I do it. So, alright, you know, stand by them. And I'll be right back. I'm getting ready to put it on the grill and let y'all see what I'm doing. Alright, now, stay tuned. Be right back. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing. They got it on the grill here. So, check it out, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know the end results and look how it looks so far, you know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit all post notifications, share my video. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new to my page, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, y'all, so that's what we're doing right here. out. Yeah, that look beautiful. Alright, y'all. Stand by for the end result. You'll see it soon. Well, I might come back and show y'all how it looks when I'm cooking again. Alright, right back. Alright, one more peek until I finish. I ain't gonna show you them while I do this. You see them doing it in the air fry, right? No, alright. See them got over here. Looking good. Sauteed onions. Yeah, looking right, boy. Alright, be back. I'll be right back to finish product. I'm not gonna show y'all no more. Stand by, I'll be right back to the end. Alright, y'all, I'm back with this end results. Go ahead and check it out. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah. Check it out, y'all. Yeah, it look delicious, don't it? Yeah. Tell me what you think. Alright, man, I'm getting ready to go. You know what time it is. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and eat and try it out. Tell me what y'all think about the video for today. Alright, y'all. Peace out. Be good.